Okay, today we are going to begin with construction 1 in constructing a triangle when its base, an angle adjacent to the base and sum of the lengths of the remaining sides is given. I'm going to show you from the practice set 4.1 construction 1 sum number 1 to construct triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 4.2. So we consider that as the base. The adjacent angle, that's angle Q, 40 degrees, and the sum of the remaining sides that's given to you. The sum of the other two sides, that's PQ plus PR, is equal to 8.5. Now for this we are going to use the perpendicular bisector theorem, wherein if we draw a perpendicular bisector to a segment, it will divide the segment into two parts forming an angle of 90 degree, and any point on the perpendicular bisector will be equidistant to the end points of that particular segment. So we are going to use the perpendicular bisector theorem to draw this particular triangle. We begin with the construction. First is to draw a rough figure. Now for the fair figure, we are going to first draw as the base. The base is segment QR, which is 4.2. So using your scale, I'm going to draw the base of 4.2. I'm going to label it QR 4.2 centimeters. The first step is done. The second is to draw an angle of 40 degrees. We're going to use a protractor. Since this is angle Q, I'm going to place the center of the protractor on point Q and measure in 40 degrees. I'm going to draw a ray. I finished drawing the angle. Now the third is to draw the sum that's given to you on this particular ray of the angle. I'm going to draw the sum length, that is 8.5. So using your scale and your compass, open up to a span of 8.5. Place this pointer on point Q and mark an arc. Name this point as point S. So I finished drawing this length 8.5. Now from this point S, I'm going to join the third side to it, RS. This entire length is 8.5 centimeters. I'm going to join RS. But we've noticed that the name of a triangle is triangle PQR and not RQS. Now I got to find point P in this entire triangle. For this, now I'm going to use the perpendicular bisector. I'm going to find the perpendicular bisector to segment RS. So I'm going to place a pointer on point R and open up to a span which is more than half. Mark the arcs on the left and onto the right. Repeat the same procedure by now placing the pointer on point S. Mark an arc. You will notice the two arcs intersect. Use your scale and join it. Now this particular line L is a perpendicular bisector of segment RS, dividing this segment RS into two equal parts. Now where this perpendicular bisector intersects this ray QS, that particular point is point P, and I'm going to join point PR. Point P is equidistant to point S. Point P is also equidistant to point R. The distance, the length PS is equal to PR. And now I have got my required triangle PQR.